honestly such a awesome feeling to finally be able to do something like this. At my age, I'm very grateful and very fortunate and very just blessed. And it's been a journey, and I hope you guys are going to be inspired by the channel and by all of this and know that it's definitely possible. I also want to just say that this was all done before, like, I'm not even monetized on YouTube yet or anything. I'm pretty close, and I'm very grateful for that. But I just want to say that, like, this isn't YouTube money doing this. This is strictly just putting God first, and then working really hard, staying very consistent, sacrificing a lot, and just believing in yourself, right? Self-belief. That is literally the recipe to success.
As many of you guys know, I've actually been in the process of purchasing a home to do Airbnb out of it and also long-term rentals. But with that being said, today is June 1st and closing got set for June 4th. So unfortunately it was supposed to be on May 30th, but some things came up which I'll explain in the next clip or in a few clips. But anyways, make sure you guys stick around. I'm gonna actually go to the furniture store right now to finish selecting the final pieces of furniture that I want for the home. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and head over to the furniture store. Alright guys, so I just got to the furniture store, so I'm gonna head inside real quick and I'm gonna take you guys with me, and hopefully the owner's super cool with us filming and everything, and I'll show you guys kind of the theme that I'm going with for the Airbnb listing. So let's go ahead and head inside. Pretty much came here. The thing is, I can't really confirm anything just yet because I'm gonna just come in the day of closing, so which will be June 4th, like an hour after I'm done with it all, and just come in here and put in the order, because what could happen until then, some pieces may get sold, and it really makes no difference to even just come in right now and confirm any pieces. That's pretty much what the owner told me. He said by then things could be sold, so just come in the day of closing and put in the order, which I'll do that and I'll keep you guys posted. But as of Monday, I'll go in Monday, and which will be June 3rd. Like I said, today is Saturday, June 1st, and I will go in Monday, do my final walkthrough, do my final inspection. You guys will come with me. So yeah, I will see you guys all in the next clip. What's up guys? So right now we are headed over to the house. So we're gonna do the final walkthrough. Today is Monday, June 3rd. As many of you guys know from the previous clip, I was talking about how I'm gonna do the final walkthrough. They kind of pushed it because they messed up a few things. So regardless, they got it all done. So I will see you guys all at the house.
And they got this one person assigned to it, and then they got done right away. So we have all the receipts. They spent thousands of dollars in repairs, dude. So I got all the receipts for you. So as soon as we close, I'll send them all the copies.
They don't know I've been homeless, bro. So they gotta
on them. I know. I told them that you had moving trucks planned, and you had all this planned, and all that stuff.
Utilities all scheduled.
Exactly. So and of course they got the home warranty paid for you as well.
Yeah. Perfect, dude. Oh yeah. It's finally here, man.
It's almost time.
It's almost time, dude. What time we think it's tomorrow?
So it'll probably release to record. It'll probably be about 3 or 4 o'clock, honestly.
Oh, okay, cool. Surge's Palace?
I call it something else, but...
What were you going to call it?
Didn't I call it Surge's something Palace? No, I just said Surge's Palace.
You just said Surge's Palace.
Let's go with that one. The Palace of Dreams.
That's where all the dreams are going to be made of. Go follow, so you guys can see what it's all about. Come on in, you two. So I'll get all this. Ooh, that's what I was going to do, is measure everything. Specifically, you guys want to do this when you guys are like right before closing. Just so you guys can know, when I go to the furniture store tomorrow, I'm gonna have an idea of what, how much room I can put.
actually just finished our final walkthrough. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna meet at the title company to do the closing and the signature, which you guys will come with me. And then later in the afternoon, once they record it all, I will meet my realtor and get the final keys. So you guys will be with me. I'm very stoked. I'm really happy with the house. I'm really happy with the work on the house and everything. So yeah, guys, I will see you all tomorrow morning at signing.
It is currently 4:28, as you guys can tell from the phone. I got some bed hair, so it's all good though, because today is June 4th, as you all know. That is the closing day, so I am super stoked, and you guys are going to be following me all day, so I hope you guys are excited. Let's go ahead and head over to the gym after I brush my teeth.
Finish the gym session. I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna shower real quick, and then I gotta run some errands real quick for the assisted living business that I have. So I gotta go to Walmart real quick. I'm gonna take you guys with me. And yeah, guys, if you guys are enjoying this content so far, I mean, I know it's completely different than what I'm used to doing, you know, where I'm just sitting down and explaining things to you guys. If you guys really enjoy this, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, smash it actually for me, and also comment down below if you guys are wanting to see more content of like this vlog style. Just let me know, guys. I would really appreciate it, because you know, I'm trying to switch it up for you guys. That way you guys are just more engaged on the channel, and you guys have just been helping this channel grow so much. So I want to step up my game with the YouTube and everything and prioritize it more. So yeah, guys, thank you, and I will see you guys here in a little bit after I get all cleaned up and everything. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, here we are. We're at Walmart. We're gonna run in real quick, get everything. So let's go ahead, head inside real quick, and then we are gonna get this stuff done. At this point, you know, this whole vlogging thing, not so bad, honestly. I think it is kind of getting a little used to, but like, I think for the most part, I mean, it's really not that bad, honestly. I mean, people, yeah, they kind of like look at you weird, because it's like, why are you filming yourself? But at the same time, I do it for all of you guys, you know? I get the weird looks for you guys. So, content, right? Always got to be progressing, being better. My blood pressure at the assisted living home broke, apparently, or it's not working. Something's going on. So I think I'm gonna go with this one, because I feel like the upper arm blood pressure is like hurting the residents, you know, doesn't feel good. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. The signing's at 10 o'clock. Right now it is currently, what is it, like close to 8:30? Yeah, 8:20 right now. So yeah, I'm probably gonna put some gas real quick. And if I say gas weird, I've been told I say it weird, but like, don't judge me. I'm a kid born in California, then raised in Missouri, then now I live out here, so probably got like some weird accent. It's all good though. What are you gonna do, right? Like, yeah. So let's go ahead. Safety first, kids. You know, always gotta put that seatbelt on. Number one thing. Always gotta put that seatbelt on. So safety first. I'm gonna go back. I'm supposed to stop by the bank to activate my employee's card. So, but unfortunately, since it's only 8:20. I'm just gonna go ahead and head over to the signing. But like, if there's a chase, over there. Then I'm probably just gonna like stop in real quick, activate it, because when I got him the card, I totally forgot what his PIN was when I went to go activate it at the ATM. I know it's just like with those little things that you kind of like forget. I'm usually pretty OCD about that stuff, so like, you know, I'm on top of it usually, probably all the time, but I just forgot. Like, I mean, I got everything going on with this entire house situation and setting it all up, and obviously doing YouTube and everything. It's kind of like a lot, right? So I'm not complaining by any means. I'm just saying I totally forgot, and it's okay to forget sometimes. Just make sure you still get it done. That's kind of the main thing, is always making sure you get it done. So let's go ahead and head over to, yeah, the exciting part of the day. Let's do this. This is it.
Your last signature.
Last signature right here.
Mm-hmm.
No pulling back now. Full send. There we go.
There you go.
Appreciate it.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Finally done.
Hey guys, so just got their keys, as you guys saw from Javier. So we got the cleaners scheduled right now to come in. So they just showed up, so they're about to come in, and I'm gonna let them in. So I'm gonna just talk to them for a second here. But yeah, so guys, it's officially done. It's kind of crazy. My life is, honestly, man, it's crazy to think that like this is really like the reality. Yeah, I mean, I'm excited. You guys will see the process. I gotta head back to the furniture store. I will show you guys the final amount. I totally forgot to tell you guys how much all the furniture actually cost to furnish the entire 4-bedroom, 3-bath house, right? So the first receipt that I have here for the first half of the furniture was $3,306.95, as you guys can see. And then the other half was $2,832. So in total, it was $6,138.95 pretty much for all the furniture. I know that you guys are probably thinking, dang, that's probably a steal, because it really was. So honestly, guys, go check Nick's Furniture out if you are in the Phoenix area. Like I said in previous clips, I have used them for my assisted living home, and so now I'm using them for you know, the Airbnb furnishing and also my personal place. So today, guys, is actually Wednesday, June 5th, the day after closing, the day after I've moved in and everything. It's been a crazy night, pretty much just getting everything set up. I finished moving all the remaining of my stuff today. But with that being said, this morning the landscapers showed up. They actually did a really great job. I will show you guys the yard when I do the full tour video. They did do a really good job, so they got that done. My battery is dead, so I didn't bother filming them getting the landscaping all done. Just got here with the appliances. I'm gonna just kind of show you guys what they're gonna place on and everything, and kind of show you guys the appliances that I got. The washer, and then there's the dryer. We are all set. I like it. I like the sleek look of the washer and dryer. Goes really well with the flooring and everything. All right, guys, so today is actually Thursday, June 6, 2019. So I actually went this morning, did my change of address for myself personally, because this is where I'll be living now. But anyways, I also went and did the business tax license for here in Phoenix in order to actually do it. At the bottom, here, I'll show you guys. This is actually the license itself. I probably shouldn't be doing, like, crumbling it up like this. But as you guys can see, those are the codes in order to get taxed specifically for doing home sharing and Airbnb. So yeah, guys, make sure you guys actually go to the city, follow up with all these things. I did this morning. It cost me $62 to do the business tax license, which is really not that big of a deal. You know, $62, yeah, and it lasts me for the year. So, and it's also for state and city taxes, so they'll tax for both. And I believe for here in Phoenix, it is 2.2%. Yeah, so I will make sure in my listing that I charge, there is a separate part where you can charge the amount needed for the taxes. So, you know, I've already looked in similar areas and similar listings in the area to see how much they're charging specifically for, you know, taxes. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. Robert will be showing up here in about 2 hours or so. So I will take you guys with me to go pick him up. I'm super excited to have him here, guys. Make sure you guys go check his channel up here, and also I'll link it down below as well. And if you haven't yet, guys, make sure you guys smash that like button, smash that subscribe button if you guys haven't yet. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and head over to Robert and pick him up.
What's up, bro?
What's up, dude? Get in here. Gotta put this seat back because you
Put it back for my long leg.
There he is, ladies and gentlemen. He finally made it. You ready to do this, bro?
Let's do it, bro.
Let's do it. There's probably people behind us.
All right, guys, we are gonna actually head to Best Buy right now real quick. So we're gonna see you guys all at Best Buy. And then from Best Buy, gotta run by the assisted living business real quick, get some things, and then off to the crib we go.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, see you guys at Best Buy.
You already know what you're getting?
Yeah, if they have it in stock, hopefully they do. It's gonna be a 55-inch. So,
And this is for the Airbnb.
no, it's Samsung. Hopefully it fits in my car. If not, those probably have to deliver it. All right, guys. So we actually went into Best Buy and they told us we couldn't film, so we had to stop filming. Anyhow, the TV was not going to fit in the back of my car. My car is way too small. So we're just going to have the TV delivered on Saturday.
All right, guys, today is Saturday, June 8th. As you guys can see, Robert's here, and he's going to help me actually measure the blinds to the windows in the Airbnb portion of the home. And we're going to head over to Home Depot and we're going to get this done, dude.
Let's do it, bro.
Awesome, let's do it.
How much does that cost, bro?
Without my mailbox, the curtains itself cost $338 for the entire house.
Not bad.
So yeah,
Let's go get these bad boys installed.
let's do it.
Alright guys, so this is the last part of the entire process, and that is all the furniture. It actually just came in. Today is Monday, June 10th. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button because I will be doing a full tour video of the entire house being furnished. And if you've made it this far, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Make sure you hit the like button for me if you haven't yet. And guys, make sure to go watch all these other videos. They're very informative, so make sure you guys, yeah, go watch them. And I will see you guys all in the next video. God bless. Peace.